Hello Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Leo, napakaganda ng dalawa ninyong mensahe. Both of this are new beginning energies. So most likely, meron kayong mga sisimulang bagong chapter sa buhay ninyo. Meron dito mga ilang bagay or areas sa buhay ninyo na magtatapos na or isasara nyo na and you're going to start fresh. You're going to start something new, no? Probably then, si child, baka meron din baka you're welcoming a new baby. Baka it's either kayo yung mga anak or baka yung person ninyo. Or kung hindi man, baka someone na malapit sa puso ninyo siguro ang mag-welcome ng baby. We have male, female. Ayan, baka kayo ito or kung hindi man, you are dealing with this female. So, maaring siya yung nagbubuntes or baka siya yung manganganak, no? Maaring ganon. Baka person ninyo yan. We have high honor. Ayan, so there is promotion coming up, no? Merong promotion, merong recognition, merong merit kayong matatanggap, award, yung ganun, for the job well done, no? Siguro related yan sa inyong trabaho. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap dito for some of you. We have dogs getting together with friends. Ayan, so baka merong pagkikita-kita kayo na magkakaibigan, no? And maybe you're going to have fun together. Ayan, so baka merong reunion, ano? We have fire, strong emotion, passionate love or hate. Ayan, so it's either love or hate itong mararamdaman ninyo, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? We have eagle, triumph over troubles and obstacles. Ayan. So, kung meron kayong mga pinagdadaanan ngayon, obstacles, no? Or mga kaguluhan, problema, rest assured that you are going to triumph over that. Mapagtatagumpayan mo na yan. Magiging successful ka sa paglaban, no? Sa hamon ng buhay na yan. What else? We have target, a goal-oriented person. Ayan. Kayo to, Leo, kayo to. You are a goal-oriented person. You have that go-getter attitude. Kaya most likely, kayo ito. No? What else? We have Chairfield. Ayan, someone new is entering your life. Ayan, this could be anyone. No? Baka bagong kaibigan ito. Bago ninyo makikilala. Bagong partner sa buhay, baka ganon, bagong jowa, or baka merong mag-aasawa sa inyo, at merong bagong magiging kapamilya, yung ganon. So, that could be anyone. Baka merong manganganak, no? So, you're, welcoming a new baby. So, that is someone new, no? You will be playing a different role. Baka promotion ito for some of you, Leo, no? Or baka, yung different role na to could be sa pamilya. Baka kayo ay manganganak na talaga, or magiging daddy na kayo, magiging mommy na kayo. So, maaaring ganun, no? Possible yan. Bridge, successfully overcoming a problem. Ayan, so napakaganda. Kasi dito may triumph tayo over troubles and obstacles, hindi ba? So, definitely, you are going to, successfully overcome a problem. So, mahahanapan mo na ng solusyon, mahahanapan mo na ng way out, no? Kung ano man ang problema na yan, ano man ang challenging situation na yan. We have chain of events that will affect your life. Ayan, maraming ganap, no? Maraming sitwasyon sa buhay ninyo na, alam mo yun, nagsimula lang sa isang bagay na merong nagbago, merong adjustment kayong ginawa, and it's going to affect, other areas of life. Yung ganon. Kaya magkakaroon ng domino effect ito, no? Isa lang ang binago, isa lang yung nagkaroon ng changes, tapos hindi lang isa, hindi lang yun yung maapektuhan, kundi marami pang ibang parte, no, ng buhay ninyong maapektuhan. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Ayan, so parang may lesson din na pupulot kayo rito. There's so much wisdom, no, na mapupulot kayo out of this journey. So, maaring long distance travel ito kasi long journey ito. So, could be international travel for some of you. Maaring marami kayong matututunan sa biyaheng yan, no? Baka ang pupuntahan ninyo dito, baka yung mga seminars, convention, maaring ganon. Or baka mag-aaral kayo sa ibang bansa, maaring ganon din ang ganap. Pwede rin na hindi ito physical travel, no? Tulad na sinasabi ng card na to. It could be a mental travel. So, maaring nag-aaral kayo or maaring meron kayong problemang iniisip, meron kayong you're thinking about a solution, no? Maybe you're looking for solution. Maaring yun ang pinag-iisipan ninyo rito. What else? We have rooster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Ayan, iwasan ninyo ito, no? As much as possible, iwasan ninyo. So, maaring kilala nyo na yan, no? Maaring kapag nakikita nyo to, bibisit kayo. Kaya as much as possible, iwasan nyo na para, ano yun, hindi naman nega yung ano ninyo, yung energy ninyo, hindi na kayo mahawaan ng kanegahan ng taong ito or ng kayabangan ng taong ito, hindi na kayo maapektuhan. Ano? Kaya as much as possible, iwasan nyo na lang ito. We have whale, great worry over nothing. So, you're wasting your time and energy dito, Leo, no? Kasi you are worrying about something that is beyond your control, or you are worrying about something na hindi naman dapat, hindi naman kailangan, di ba? Kaya, ano to, waste of time and energy ninyo. So, if this message resonates with you, alam ninyo kung ano to na pinagwuwarihan ninyo. So, ibig sabihin, wag na. No, wag na kayo mag-aksaya ng panahon sa pag-worry dyan sa bagay na yan. Kasi sinasabi ng spirit sa inyo through this card na you're worrying over nothing. So, hindi mo kailangan, no? Hindi kailangan na mag-worry ka because wala naman talagang dapat na ipag-alala. We have scales. Keep your life in balance. Okay? Lagi ninyong aalalahanin na dapat lagi lang nasa balanse. No? Lagi lang kayo dapat nasa balanse. Make sure na lagi ninyo nabibigyan ng oras, panahon, at atensyon, no? That it deserves ang lahat ng parte ng buhay ninyo. Hindi pwedeng puro lang trabaho, puro lang social life, puro lang relationship, puro lang pamilya, you know. Every area ng buhay ninyo dapat nabibigyan ninyo ng oras, panahon, atensyon para everything will flow smoothly. Lahat, you know, magiging maayos kasi natitignan ninyo lagi, naaasikaso ninyo lagi. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.